already, mount, and my microphone. This would be my first official motorcycle vlog. This will just be introducing myself and testing out the camera a little bit. See how the quality turns out. First of all, I'm going to start off with what kind of bike I ride here. Actually, yeah, alright. Yeah, it's a 2001 CBR 600. It's my first bike. I've never been on bikes before. I've been riding for about a year and a couple months now. I've been wanting to do it since I was a little kid. Now I finally got a chance. Plus I got a camera. I can record myself. For some reason my bike feels good. Auto response is good. There's some fuel problem before. It was you could smell it. I don't know why. Does anybody know? Like when I'm riding, like I could smell it all over, like when I stop, I could smell it all over, like my shirt, especially my pants. I ride to school in my motorcycle, it's about like 13 miles. That's a cool building. I hope you can see it. Yeah, like I ride the bike everywhere during summer, but here in Michigan, right now it's April 2nd and it's like 54 degrees. Yes, I'm about to go ahead and try it out. Oh, that was a good stop. Locked up my rear. Whew. Glad I recorded that shit. Yeah, that was a close one. And it's slippery. Sun is in my eyes, can't see. Green turned to red, decided to stop. I just tested out my skills, actually. I was going a little bit faster, I don't think I could have stopped. But that was a really good test for me. I did lock up the rear a little bit. As soon as you lock it up, do not let it go. That's the first rule in motorcycle safety class that I took. If you lock it up, keep holding it. Because if you do, you might want to twist the bike to the side or something, and then that wouldn't be good. You could high side. Wow, that was the first time I actually locked up the rear ever. Cold tires. That's fun. Just got on the bike. Man, that felt good though. That means I'm confident I can stop. That's it. The only thing I could have used a little bit better was the engine brake. Should have used the engine brake a little bit more. Stop, but I didn't. I was blasting music. Holy shit, I could hear when I was sitting right here. Come on. Look at this motherfucker. Oh, she was expecting me. I know you guys are always there. Always. Thought I was going to hit it and stop. It's still waiting there. Yeah, this is my first vlog. I'm not a talkative person. I usually don't have nothing to say. If this doesn't work out very well, fuck, I'm going 50. If this doesn't work out very well, I'm just going to start recording just regularly. Like just riding videos, not me talking, but we'll see.